Thank you, sir.
Airlines have boycotted this at-home reception by the government. This is the first time that they are doing it. What is your response to it?
No, this is not the first time. That is the usual method. They are not respecting any constitutional office. Whether they are not receiving our Honorable Prime Minister, they are not going to. They are going and attend the Niti Aayog meeting, and today they have boycotted. I am asking like this because myself and the former governor and our governor, we were all sitting in a table and we were talking. So, if the chief minister come, apart from the office, exact office hours, there can be an informal, friendly talk. Why they are avoiding that? So, this is why at home is planned. From the Independence Day, why at home is planned? It's not only just customary. To meet all the opposition leaders, to meet the leaders, to greet the leaders. So, this is planned only in an unofficial method. We can meet and greet and eat. But they don't want to do anything. Just to boycott means it is a bad example. They are setting a bad role model for the future generation. If an invitation is given, it should be honored. So all the opposition parties ruled by all the states ruled by the opposition parties, they are following the same thing. In Puducherry, the chief minister, not now the chief minister, then chief minister Narayanasamy boycotted it, and BRS. Totally he boycotted. It is not good. Chief Minister and Governor should sit and talk in a very friendly manner. So many problems can be solved. But for Chief Minister, he did not want any problem to be solved. He wanted the Tamil Nadu to be in a boiling state, not in a solving state. So he want to be boiled. Always he is telling, no, but Tamil Nadu is agitating. We are safeguarding the Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is at the top. Yes, Tamil Nadu is at the top because of the Tamil Nadu people, hard work of Tamil Nadu. But everything he says only because of him. No? People now totally understand. He is telling, no, everyone is seeing the legs. So how can they see the sun? He himself telling, now also rain is coming, he was telling. Even, not only when the Prime Minister came, sun disappeared. Even when CM was there, sun disappeared. He is telling everyone's looking at the leg. Oh, why can't you look at the back? Agitations are going on. If you look at this side, so many problems are there in Tamil Nadu. So instead of seeing all the problems, simply he is seeing only the NDA. NDA leaders are watching who is calling, who is responding, who is coming. So let him stop that and see the problem in Tamil Nadu.
We also saw DMDK Satish participating in today's.
Yeah, today, yeah, that is.
Is it a hint of him joining the NDA?
No, this is a friendly talk. That's what I'm telling. These tea parties create an opportunity to meet people. We cannot meet officially. So we have met, though immediately then I cannot say our leader and we are all friendly. So, heated, not yielded.
CM Stalin has said that 26 election is a fight between India and Tamil Nadu.
No, this is what I am telling. So NDA and then DMK has vanished, huh? India has vanished. This is what he is thinking, that as if he is fighting for. No. NDA is not fighting against Tamil Nadu. NDA is for Tamil Nadu. I can say fighting, take away that fighting and say NDA is for Tamil Nadu. I think CM itself endorsed it. There is no any role for DMK. Tamil Nadu, NDA. So only role for them.
And also you said ADMK alliance is just washing machine alliance.
Who is Senthil Balaji? And who is Raja Kannappan? Who is SV Shekhar? Who is Muthusamy? I'm asking, who is all these things? The bigger washing machine is DMK, not the BJP. The bigger washing machine, the people who are all on the topmost of their governance, leaders, all washing machine people only, washed people only. Udayanidhi, if he opens his mouth, he is a total divisive politics in this country. Whether it is religion, he will talk about Sanatan. Whether it is language, he will talk about the dividing people with language. And state, northern state, southern state, Gomutra state, this state. Let Udayanidhi think, because today it is unity in diversity. I am asking, he is talking about the languages in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, which is the party for longer time ruled all these states. Our Honorable Prime Minister has asked the people from Kashmir to learn Tamil. Other state people are learning Tamil. Today, Governor told children from Delhi participated in the Tamil competition and they got the prize. Is it a pride or not? So we are motivating the children to learn Tamil, but they are demotivating the children to learn even their own language.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.